Allow ourselves some stillness, some gentle, compassionate, heart-opening energy. And what if we brought with us into our contemplation time, what if we just reassure ourselves, I don't have to know how. How ain't none of my business. Simply willing to come to my heart space, the very core of me, the infinite dwelling in which I have my being. And I whisper my prayer. Have your way in me, oh God. The activity, the movement of Holy Spirit is active and awakening in me. We inhale some deep and complete breath. I know I am breathing in. I know I am breathing out. 3 complete breaths. We might this morning want to just take a peek in one of our emotional bags, maybe a smaller, lighter one, maybe a bigger, heavier one. Spirit guides us. Have your way in me. And we declare, we claim to the universe, I am willing. I am willing to be free. I am willing to release some, part, all of my toxic baggage. I am willing to make room, make room, make room for my good. And as we move into the silence this morning, I can feel, I can hear the baggage being unzipped. I can see the bag gently laid open. And I see her soft, full of grace, compassionate gaze as we pick up that life event and hold it to our heart. I am willing to be free. I am willing to be full of grace. Have your way in me. I choose freedom. I choose to forgive. I choose to release. And so it is. And so we let it be.